Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into some natural remedies that have been forgotten over time but are incredibly effective for cleansing your liver and blood vessels. You know, our bodies are amazing machines. They can heal themselves if we give them the right tools. And sometimes, the best tools are the ones that have been used for centuries, passed down from generation to generation. These natural remedies are simple, effective, and can make a world of difference in how you feel. Let's unlock the power of nature together. Let's unlock the power of two incredible ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen: lemons and olive oil. Their power lies in their synergy. Lemons are a natural source of vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant. They stimulate bile production, essential for breaking down fats. Olive oil is packed with monounsaturated fats, lowering bad cholesterol. This keeps our blood vessels clear and flexible. Combine them for a potent elixir to cleanse your liver and improve cardiovascular health. Mix half a lemon's juice with a tablespoon of olive oil. Drink it on an empty stomach. Do this a few times a week for a natural liver boost. Now let's move on to our next ancient remedy, a vibrant and delicious juice made with beetroots and carrots. This potent combination has been cherished for centuries for its ability to cleanse the blood and support liver function. Beets, those ruby red root vegetables, are a nutritional powerhouse. They are packed with antioxidants called betalains, which give them their vibrant color and possess powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation, as you know, is a root cause of many chronic diseases, and keeping it in check is crucial for overall health. And then we have carrots, a rich source of beta-carotene which our bodies convert into vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for maintaining healthy eyesight, but did you know it also plays a vital role in liver detoxification? It helps neutralize toxins and supports the liver's natural cleansing processes. Together, beetroots and carrots create a symphony of nutrients that work synergistically to cleanse your blood vessels and support optimal liver function. To make this powerful juice, simply wash and chop 1 beetroot and 2 carrots. You can juice them using a juicer, or blend them with a little water and then strain the mixture. Drink this juice fresh for maximum benefit. You can enjoy this revitalizing juice daily, and you'll be amazed at how energized and refreshed you feel. Finally, let's explore a soothing and aromatic ancient remedy that has stood the test of time: turmeric and ginger tea. This golden elixir has been revered for centuries in traditional medicine for its incredible healing properties. Turmeric, that vibrant yellow spice often used in curries, contains a powerful compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant that has been shown to protect the liver from damage. It helps reduce inflammation, fight free radicals, and even promote the growth of new liver cells. And then we have ginger, another powerful root with remarkable medicinal properties. Ginger is well known for its ability to soothe digestive discomfort, but it also possesses potent anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit the liver. It helps reduce inflammation, improve blood circulation, and protect the liver from toxins. Together, turmeric and ginger create a synergistic blend that can help revitalize your liver and promote overall well-being. To make this soothing tea, simply add a teaspoon of grated turmeric and a teaspoon of grated ginger to a cup of boiling water. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes, then strain it into your favorite mug. You can add a squeeze of lemon juice and a touch of honey for sweetness. Enjoy this healing tea daily, and you'll be amazed at how refreshed and revitalized you feel. Thanks for watching. I hope you feel empowered to take control of your health with these simple yet powerful ancient remedies. Remember, taking care of your liver and blood vessels is crucial for overall health and well-being. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Stay healthy and see you next time.